Oh shit, I really did cut my finger. Hey, what's up? Thanks for tuning in. You know, I'm about to say the wrong name. I keep changing the name of this channel.
Yeah.
Throttle MC. Fast on two wheels. You know what I'm saying?
So for today's video, guys, we're going to cook. What are we going to cook?
What we going
American food. I don't know
like,
that.
Like she's gonna take over, really? I'm supposed to be teaching her. I'm gonna show her how to make spaghetti.
Okay.
I'm heavy.
Yeah.
I want to show her how to make spaghetti and meat sauce. So, unfortunately, I have to substitute. The mall over here, the stores, they don't have no chopped meat. So, I bought some beef burgers, and we're gonna. Okay. Okay, there we go. We're gonna cut these up and put them in the.
They're the same, honey?
Yeah, the same.
Okay.
Yeah, we're gonna cut them
And
up and
there's
substitute that.
also spaghetti.
Spaghetti.
What is it?
Tomato sauce.
Oh, but it's the same over here, Barilla.
None of these are
Tomato sauce.
sponsored.
Onion, garlic. That's it.
No, it's not it. We need more seasoning.
Okay.
He's like, that's it. We have some all-purpose seasoning thingies.
Yeah, all-purpose seasoning.
Any more pepper?
That's a lot. Look at this.
What?
No. This is all peppers.
Oh, okay.
Different kind of peppers.
All right.
This is.
No. This one is fine.
Yeah, this is some kind of peppers, but this
black
is.
pepper.
Yeah. Okay, so we're going to start our cooking showdown.
So what we're gonna do first is definitely boil the spaghetti because that's gonna take a long time. While that's boiling, I'm gonna have her cut up the garlic and the onions to add some fresh flavor. I mean, this says it has herbs already in it, but come on now, you gotta add some freshness in there. You know what I'm saying? All right, so let's
go.
put that on full power because it's gonna take time. Jeez, I have no nails. Is there a knife pad?
2000? Full power.
Sure, full power. You can't burn spaghetti.
Okay. You put a video
Okay,
there?
so I'm trying to cut this open. Cutting up everything. I'm savage at this. Oh, she turned it.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so how we do it in America is we take half of that
Only half.
and then we break it.
Okay.
But we do it over the water because it's going to get everywhere. So
Okay.
step back so they can see a little bit and you can see.
Okay.
So go like this, all right? You want to take half in your
Yeah.
hand? You can. It's kind of hard to do it while I'm trying to show someone. I think that's about half. Let that fall back in.
Okay.
Even it on your hand. See all the sticks drop down. And you break it in the middle.
It's strong.
And you spread it out like that.
Okay.
Are you eating this with me or is this just me?
I'm not eating American food. It's making you fat. And then
What?
cover.
What? Not yet.
Seasoning?
Nah, oil.
Oil. Okay.
You add a little oil. Step back so they can see. You add a little oil so that the spaghetti don't stick together. Just a little bit. That's good.
Okay.
And that keeps the spaghetti from lumping together.
So I cover it. Okay?
Yes.
It cooked fast.
So while that's cooking, where's the chopping board? We did bring the chopping board in, right?
Yeah.
Ah, here we go.
I can find that is all right. Here, guys. Chop.
Okay, that's what you want to use? Or?
Oh, yeah. I have a little hand, sorry.
I'll use this for the beef.
Yeah. So, honey.
Yeah. Chop the onion and the.
Do they need to
garlic.
see what I'm chopping?
Yeah. I came around so I could drop the camera down for them. Can is it on the board?
Yeah. Yeah, I need to clean it first. So
Yeah, be careful. Don't cut yourself.
yes,
Safety.
yes, Khaleesi. Mommy cooking. I'm learning over here. Okay. Because this onion might not a lot of. Sometimes as I cut onion, I cry.
Oh my.
Yeah.
Like a TV show.
No. It makes you cry.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Well, I'm a man. Men don't cry, so.
Okay. Your tears just came out with nowhere.
Tears? What are these tears? Men don't have tear ducts. We're men.
Oh my god, it started. Sorry.
We're men.
How many onion? A lot?
Make 3.
Okay. Ooh, you really make me cry. Sorry guys, I'm just learning how to do it. Oh my god, my eye bleeds. So for now it's garlic, guys. I'm gonna clean the garlics.
Cool. Now, I like my noodles soft.
Put this.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
We're gonna fry this with the meat.
Oh,
Yeah. Now, I like my noodles soft. Some people like it a little hard, which I find weird, but hey, everyone has their own taste, you know?
okay. Next going to cut is the beef. Okay.
All right, so like I said in the beginning, guys, we have hamburger meat. That's the only thing I could find over here that's beef at this time. Apparently they were sold out on chopped beef.
Honey,
Yeah,
how to know this is ready?
when it's soft.
Oh,
It's not soft enough yet.
yeah, I know.
Don't worry, guys, I'm not gonna cut my fingers.
Oh, fuck that.
And as I said that, I cut my finger. Ah! You think it's ready? I hear you turning it down.
Yeah.
Oh shit! I really did cut my finger. Whoa! It was from this side. I didn't know that side can
Let
cut.
me see.
Yeah, little. But
Oh my, I'll do it.
no, I got it. This side hit me, but I thought it wouldn't cut me because there's no blade here. But guess it's sharp enough. All right. Hey, live and learn, right, guys? So. I prefer I get cut than my wife, you know what I'm saying? Because if she get cut, who's going to hold the baby?
Of course you.
Okay, this is my first time doing this, guys. Usually, you know, in America, you can find chopped meat very freaking easy. So, you know, this came to me, hey, why not just use some, you know, the burger meat since that's what I could find. So, you know, we're going to try this. We're going to try this. See how this goes, you know? 'Cause I have a craving like a pregnant woman. And if you ever had a craving like that, you understand you got to make it happen, Captain. Yo. I love the smell of garlic and onions freshly cut. It's a pleasant smell to me. You know, I love Italian food more than I love pretty much any other food. Chinese comes close second. I honestly thought, you know, when I was younger, I was gonna marry a what do you call that? An Italian woman. But Lord and behold, I get on Christian Filipina and meet this beautiful woman. Open up one of those seasonings for me.
Okay. One.
Yeah, one. Seasonings. So I'm washing my hands so I don't contaminate everything else, you know what I'm saying?
Sorry, I got the other one too.
You got 2 of them open? I only need 1 pack.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna test the spaghetti.
Put it inside of it?
Yeah.
All of it?
Yeah, 1 pack. So what I do is I like to take out one spaghetti string and then I give it a taste test. Oh yeah, that's ready.
Please see, wait.
So let's turn the oven off.
Wait.
All right, so I angled the camera down. Sorry for the production value, guys. This is something new. Spaghetti out of the pan. And then I'm gonna fry all this together. This meat seems to be pre-cooked, the fact that it's this color. Either that or how about I eat this like today, which I am doing anyway. All right, so what we're doing now is she's gonna cook this meat up.
Fry.
She's gonna fry it up. I'll leave her in charge of that because I suck. When I fry stuff up, I smoke the whole house up. Neighbors come running with fire extinguishers. Fire department is called. Okay, I exaggerate all that extra part, but the house will get smoky. So just leave it to the professionals, you know what I'm saying? All right, so the meat's been cooking for a few minutes or whatever. I don't know, I'm not timing it. I just look to see where it looks ready. Look at that. You never know that was just burger meat cut up. I'm a genius. I know. So I'm just gonna wait a little bit longer because I want to make sure every part of it is completely done. Once every part of it is done, we're gonna add this.
Yeah.
And that's gonna cook with the beef. It's gonna taste so freaking delicious.
Smells so good.
She doesn't eat beef, guys. She's pork.
Oh my god.
She's chicken, fish, but no beef. What? What?
You both?
What?
I'm there.
Definitely goat. Definitely goat. Goat is delicious.
Snake?
Snake is delicious, right?
Scorpion?
I haven't had scorpion, and I don't think I want to.
I think it's ready.
All right. So.
It's all brown, right?
Yeah, it looks good.
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna add this stuff here. What? Man spring. Let me turn it around so y'all can see. Where does this thing come from? Rolling away. All right. Let me go right this way so they can see. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna pour this around.
All of it?
What? Yeah. And
Ooh.
we're not even done. I gotta add some water to this to get all that extra in there.
Oh, okay, I'll mix it.
Yes, you do. So I added that good water to it, you know what I'm saying? Get all the rest in here. Look, the bottle's nice and clean now. Ooh, yeah. Nice, healthy spaghetti and meatballs. As she says, fattening American food.
Yeah.
You can turn the fire.
Fire off?
Yeah.
Ooh. Okay, take it out.
Hold on. We're not ready for that part yet. Hold on. At least the camera isn't. So we have. She's fine. I'll get to her in a minute. All right, hold on, guys. We have
Lucy.
crying baby. Let me settle her.
Oh, go ahead.
And then we're gonna pour it in here over the spaghetti.
Put the thingy here.
Yeah, I'll pour it.
I can do it.
You sure?
Yeah.
Might be heavy. Oh, you got it?
Yeah.
Oh shit, guys. Look at her.
Yee, so yummy.
Fuck yeah, I can't wait to eat. All right, guys, this is my lunch and dinner. Because it's actually lunchtime right now. So I'm gonna eat some of this right now, and then probably the rest for dinner, honestly.
Okay.
If there's any survivors, I'll eat it tomorrow.
Okay, I'll check my
So she's gonna check on the baby. Let me let y'all see the finished product. Oh, look at that, guys. Let's raise the camera so you can see. So the spaghetti is there. So what I like to do is I like to wrap some of the spaghetti up, add a little bit of the meat and the sauce. And okay, guys, we're gonna give it that taste test, all right? Let's see if we need to add anything else. I'm just pretty much going on memory of what I like. This should be good. Man, so good. I'll be honest, it'll be 100 times better if I've had like ragu or something. I couldn't find it over here, but damn it, tastes fucking delicious. But I haven't had spaghetti and meat sauce so long. This is fucking damn near perfect. So I hope you enjoyed our video. If this gets a lot of views, we'll make it a normal thing every, what's today, Friday? Every Friday, we'll make some kind of new American dish. Oh, maybe we'll also do some Filipino dishes also, you know? And, all right. So this has been, Cooking with Throttle. Cooking with Throttle. If you haven't yet, please like the video, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you know the next time we upload a video, you don't miss it. And share. And with that, hot out. Say goodbye, babe.
Bye.
She's with the baby. All right, later.
Good morning, everyone. Today, my husband will tell you how we met on Christian Filipina.
So, I've been retired for 2 years, traveling around, and I just could not find the right woman walking around. And I heard such great things about Christian Filipina. So I said, you know what, I'm gonna give it a try. Sure enough, 3 days later on Christian Filipina, I found my soulmate. And you can too. All you gotta do is sign in to Christian Filipina. They have such great options. It doesn't matter if you want a woman short, tall, fat, small, they have everything. Now, keep in mind, Christian Filipina isn't just Christians. They have on there Muslims, Christians, and Catholics. So it doesn't really matter what religion preference you have.
So, what are you waiting for? Sign in on Christian Filipina right now.